Yo, what's up, guys? It's DualEx, and let's head to the workshop, man. I got stuff to build. Oh, that's cold. Got stuff to build, man, you know. Yo, what's up? I'm DualEx, and I like to build living spaces in weird places. I've already built vans, travel trailers, and RVs, but right now I'm building a truck camper for my F-150. In today's episode, I rebuild the interior and turn it into a living space. Let's go. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Welcome back, man. So surprisingly enough to me, an overwhelming amount of people wanted me to break up my videos more and post more like vlog style content rather than just only posting completed build videos up until the end of a project. I'm just going to continue along that trend to see how this works out. Right now what I'm going to do is actually adjust this carcass that I made in the last episode. I was going to do one big drawer here, but I'm going to have to do two drawers again. But they're still going to be lighter than the original huge drawers I did originally. I've got to sand this entire carcass, and sanding is boring, so while I do that, let me talk about the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with literally thousands of online classes for curious and creative people like myself. I've personally taken classes on woodworking, plumbing, electrical engineering, and of course, filmmaking. I recently finished a course about telling an engaging story in less than a minute by Helene Narvez. And I've been using courses just like this to be able to improve the quality of my videos. As you know, I use a lot of storytelling in my videos to make my builds more interesting. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. And thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to this build. Got the whole thing sanded up here. The struts are working really well. It lifts up like super clean. So what I'm gonna do now is clean this off completely, make sure there's no dust on it, and I'm going to seal this with polyurethane. And while it's sealing, then I'm going to work on the kitchen drawer and then the storage that's in the back over here. This section here is 24 inches, so this is going to be the kitchen here. I'm going to pull the kitchen out, and when I do that, this section moves to here. So then you'll have room to reach it with this top lifted up, so you don't have to climb all the way back there. So here's a quick tip that makes this process go by a little bit quicker. So I'll actually spray this on the first coat, then I'll wait and then sand it, and then I'll come on with this. So because it's just a lot quicker to spread it on here with this than it is. I use these little foam brushes and it takes a long time. 20 grit. I'm gonna do 3 or 4 coats of poly over there, but while that's drying, I'm gonna be working on the drawers, and I'm gonna be taking apart the original drawers that I had and reusing the lumber from that so that I can save some money. mattress and put it in here. All right. I'm gonna wait and let this inflate because it looks pretty dinky right now. So it takes 48 hours to decompress. So I guess I'll be back in 48 hours.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
So this is the end of the video, man. I'm gonna show you guys what I've made in here. I think this is a pretty good rebuild of the inside of this. The mattress is finally inflated. Right now I got it in couch mode. You can also pull it out. Oh, I just ripped my shirt off. All right, ripped my shirt, but I'm gonna keep going with this. So on this side, this is just the storage side. This only pulls out 24 inches, but that's because I can lift this up. And then when it's up, I can access everything from the back, just so I don't have to crawl all the way back there. And then this comes back down out of the way and doesn't actually mess anything up. And then on this side, this is the kitchen. And it's got that double drawer slide in it. But I do have this side here for the stove here. And when I put it away, it just goes in like this. And then it's all the way in there. Then these side pieces all come up. And I have these cabinet stave pieces that I use to lock it in. Extra little pieces of storage on the sides there. And then when this is not in couch mode, I can pull it out. And then this is a full-size mattress, but as you can see, it's actually too long for this because this is a 6-foot piece and the inside of this is 5.5 feet. But when I bend up the back section, then this fits in there perfectly. And I already know everybody's gonna ask if I can actually fit in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. When the tailgate's closed, I still fit in here. Nice and easy. Everybody's gonna say, oh man, I can't sleep like that. But all I gotta do is this, and then I'm laying out completely. But I don't sleep like that anyway. I actually sleep like this. So that's why I don't care. And on top of that, this is actually just the guest bed that I'm going to be using temporarily, because when I build the rooftop tent, that thing's going to be 8 feet long. So it's not going to be a problem. This is mainly just going to be like the couch chill area when I'm camping and stuff like that. But this is going to be the stealth area. If I'm going to be stealth camping somewhere, I'm going to be using this. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I got plenty of other stuff to do. This isn't obviously completely done, but I'm going on a trip to Colorado and I need this set up so that I can stealth camp in it on my way there. So thank you guys for watching this all the way to the end, and I'm going to try to leave the plans for this in the description. If you want to check them out, they're going to be free on my website. If you want to donate for the plans, you can, but I don't charge any money for them. So if you want to just download them for free, you can. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. I'll be coming back with the rooftop tent later.
Never at ease, I don't know a Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been